Hi, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. You might have seen my video on installing the Dashcam. I've actually added the link of the Dashcam in that video. So if you want to buy the same kind of Dashcam, you can, very much go for it with the link that I've shared in the description. So another thing, a lot of people asked or maybe commented in the comment section saying, गाड़ी में ऑलरेडी आपके डैश कैम है, वाई वुड यू वांट टू स्पेंड अनदर 10 to 15K on dash cam. So for you guys, I'll show you how or what does this camera which is there in the car, in the vehicle, how that works. I'm going to show that to you. So we have a 360 camera which only works in cases of emergencies, is what I've been told. उतना clear information नहीं मालूम उसके बारे में, but if you see the footage of the video or the footage of this camera which it gets recorded in the car, doesn't really make sense with the way you would actually see that. So I'll show you how it actually looks. First you'll have to go to the 360 camera. So this button that you see here, let me see if I can see what you're able to see. So this button, the record button, will only get enabled in pack 3 if you have a flash drive connected to your car. So for example, if you go to the DVR port, I have a flash drive connected, a 128 GB, and to get that activated in the car or get that installed in the car, you need to have the flash drive formatted in exFAT or जो FAT 32 कुछ बोलते हैं. It needs to be formatted in that format, otherwise it will not save or it will not get detected in the car. Okay, so I'll show you what it does. So it's going to, I'm going to click on the record. इस record को button को click करूँगा. So it started the recording, if you can see. Right, let's wait how many seconds or how many minutes it's going to record, because it's again timed. It's not going to record something which can store in the car. You need to definitely have a pen drive connected or a flash drive connected in the DVR port, otherwise you would not actually get any video. Or this particular button, जो record button है, वो highlighted नहीं रहेगा. It'll be grayed out. Alright, so I'm going to show you. So it's 36 seconds, right? It takes about 3 minutes of the total time of recording. So the session itself is for 3 minutes. You can't record beyond that. I mean, that's again on demand recording, right? On demand recording matlab you press the button, only then it will record, otherwise it will not record. And the other situations where it's going to get recorded is when there is an emergency. Okay, so that's how it works. So I will show you what what is the footage it's going to record, किस angle का इसमें record होता है वो आपको दिखाऊंगा. You'll be surprised to see what it actually does. So I'll click on this as well. It took a image of what it sees or what it is designed to take the footage of. Okay, now it's at 135. So to simply access these things, all you got to do is first you'll have to go to the let's exit out of this thing. Let's go to the home screen. You go to all apps and you have hard drive. Right, under hard drive you will see nothing. Okay, nothing, because it's recording those things in your pen drive only. So you will not see anything under hard drive. So I'm on the hard drive now. If you see, it's hard drive, right? Recently added में कुछ नहीं होगा. Then you have favorites, there's nothing in this. Then you have audio, there is nothing in this. Then you have photos, there is nothing. Documents, nothing. Videos, nothing. Now if I click on this and see the flash drive, it will not show me the flash drive at all. ठीक है, Now if I go back, is it still recording? I'm not sure if it's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. See, और 15 सेकेंड बचे हैं, then it will stop automatically. So I'll show you the live proof. If it's really worth to have this as the only source of your dash cam. See, it recorded successfully. It's been saved. Now where is it saved? It's saved in the pen drive. Okay. So this is the footage which I downloaded from the car with that pen drive which was connected. So this is the only angle you would see, the fish eye angle, and there is no clarity at all on these videos. So you can take a call if you still want to use this or you want to go for a dash camera. Now to access the pen drive inside the car, there is no option, right? You need a type C port which you can connect here, and then see, if you आपका जो पेन ड्राइव है, if it's a USB type का पेन ड्राइव, USB A है, then it will only connect there and you don't have any other option to connect anywhere in the car. ठीक है? So this requires a type C. If you don't have a type C, you can actually buy one which you have options of buying an adapter as well which connects to your USB A, okay, and access the files. That's in case if you want to see आपको files देखना है कार में, then you need to have a type C, otherwise you will not be able to see those videos or photos or whatever it recorded. If I disconnect the pen drive, I've removed the pen drive. Okay, now I'll go back to the 360 camera. Now it only gives me the option to click the picture. Okay, if I click on this, see, it saved the image. Now where did that save the image? It saved the image in the car itself, on the hard drive itself. To prove that, I'll show you where it actually is. So here it is. Okay. So it's showing 4 angles. This is left side, this is right side, this is the front view, this is the rear view. Okay, that's what it actually saves. And similarly, it saves the same thing that you have in your video as well. So videos also would save the same way. This is the only thing, the fisheye video is what you'll get. It'll capture the 4 sides of the car. So it's capturing the with the camera that you have under the side view mirrors, पीछे का camera and the front camera. So this is what it is. So if you look at this fisheye is the footage it's going to capture. So fisheye पे मैंने click किया, ये है पीछे का, ये है, this is the rear, the front, this is the rear, this is the sides. Okay, this is what it's capturing. Now you tell me if it's really worth to use this as the only source of the camera, because it doesn't look like it's a 4K or whatever. For that specifically you need a camera, a dash cam that will save you from any or help you with any insurance claims and all. Otherwise there is no point of using this camera as the only camera, the 360-degree camera as the only camera for your car to claim your insurances. So your call. See what best suits you. You can go for anything which is in budget, which is if you can stretch your budget, you can go for a Red Tiger or VO4. Right, you have pretty good options which you can actually use to which you can actually spend on to buy a decent dash cam. These are the storage differences between Pack 3 and Pack 3 above. Pack 3 above comes with 24 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. Pack 3, there is no disclosed information about what is the storage or what is the RAM. I guess it's only 12 GB or 8 GB, but it's not entirely mentioned anywhere. Please subscribe, please like, please share your comments in the comment section and ask as many questions as possible. Please join our 9S community It's growing really well, and we are helping each other to understand what is happening with the car, what is the good thing about the car, what are the opportunities or the bad things which are not working out. We are working together to get these issues resolved ourselves, right? Our admins are working day and night and helping us in getting these problems resolved as soon as possible. Please join our WhatsApp group. I'm going to share the link in the description, or put the link somewhere here. Please do join, don't forget. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Your subscription keeps me motivated. Thank you.